Play with him, play with him.
Upon him vest had the title written, Lord of Lords and the King of Kings, faithful and true, conquering and to conquer and conquering. King of Kings, Jah, living one Lord of Lords, conquering and to conquer. Him is the King of Kings, the Lion of Judah, conquering and to conquer. All Babylon up him trample under, conquering and to conquer. Him is the King of Kings, the Lion of Judah, conquering and to conquer. All Babylon up him trample under earth. Look at the name, dreadful and terrible. Some try to conquer from them fighting. Humble fights, good about no bitter grudge or grumble. Jah love bless, a far-eye mantle, armed with him word and slew all evil. Trap some set up is they themselves get tangled, bind up like chaff to burn off in a bundle. Yet still him is conquering and to conquer. Him is the King of Kings, the Lion of Judah, conquering and to conquer. All Babylon up him trample under, conquering and to conquer. Him is the King of Kings, the Lion of Judah, conquering and to conquer. All Babylon up him trample under. What is going on in the world? What's happening? In prophecy of truth manifest fulfilling. Your word in a flesh shine light on everything. Lay within him sight.
Praises to the name of Jehovah. Long live the King of Kings, the Emperor. Lion of Judah, wonderful counselor. Yes, his government shall be upon his shoulders. Praises to the name of Jehovah. Long live the King of Kings, the Emperor. Lion of Judah, wonderful counselor. Yes, his government shall be upon his shoulders. There is no other one like him. Rastafari is the King of our kings. There is no other one like him now that can cleanse you of your sins. He's the lily of the valley. He's the earth rightful ruler. Some call him the King of the Jews, yet them refuse. This one come to them like the evening news. Burn out the wicked them like fuse. Cause Jah love them could never choose. Then he will call and choose and happy. Rastafari, straight from David root. Praises to the name of Jehovah. Long live the King of Kings, the Emperor. Lion of Judah, wonderful counselor. Yes, his government shall be upon his shoulders. Praises to the name of Jehovah. Long live the King of Kings, the Emperor. Lion of Judah, wonderful counselor. Yes, his government shall be upon his shoulders. Every knee shall bow, every tongue confess. And the Selassie and the verse is the highest. Manifest in a lifetime. Babylon system never act like they're blind. Wonders and signs it reveal it in a judgment time. Rastafari give thanks and praise and glorify.
Well, them can't stop King Selassie pick me, no. Oh no. Rastafari help me seal the victory, no. Oh no, no, no. Them can't stop King Selassie pick me, no. Oh no. No matter how hard things go on in a Babylon, I nah do no wrong. Show me a real winner. Follow me no inner. I meal the most I chop from breakfast straight to dinner. Now sell me bread up in no Benz, now no beam. And I go sex no underage. You must see mat me have a daughter, yo. Keep my temple clean and the positive scene. Every morning beg Jah guide me, going out and coming in, yeah. So when the wicked rise, Jah I'm in shield. And when me touch the road, Jah take the wheel. Okay, them can't stop King Selassie pick me, no. Oh no, Rastafari help me seal the victory. No, 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 no. Whoa, 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 boy. Them can't stop Selassie pick me. No, no, not all. No, no, no. No matter matter how hard things go on in a Babylon, never do no wrong. Them wish to see me fall, but I stand firm and stronger. Only part thing them do, but still them have to wonder how come I still go on and on and on. They never know, still I say I'm a sponsor. No long time me tell them joy over anger, so all them attack, me still not go answer. Just lower me ship and make it sail. Nobody come stall me when you throw up the anchor. Lower me while me striving on my journey to uprising. And I'm sure you see a smile on my face. You don't know what's underneath hiding. Oh no no no. So now me while me striving. Nobody come for bad mind me no.
My you take good and rain or sunny fire, mama born ready. None smile me no laugher. Full suit a cocky on me feet, Bobo Sanda, Bobo Shanty Broom, done ready for the chaff ya. Chant now ya bingy words and lava. Foundation, don't say nothing after. So me nah go join politician and Carter. Rastafari the highest of order. So me nah go ponder fi put it on paper to say my youth it could have rain or sunny and me well born ready. My youth it could have rain or sunny then. Oh, I see them when them cheat. I don't listen whenever they speak, cause them hearted full of deceit. Righteousness be put on a beat. Raya bingy drum me beat. Like Jamaica whenever we cheat. Let's take a second to receive. Every promise and every crease. Uptown, downtown and every border. And stop sell your children like lamb to the slaughter. Rastafari is more than a brother. Fathers, teach it to your sons, mothers, your daughters.
Shaky hand boy, you are not bad boy. Both say you are gunman, you must say mad boy. Only by innocent life you are take. I squeeze up trigger and afraid to face death. Hey you shaky hand boy, you are not bad boy. Both say you are gunman, you must say mad boy. Every day you're there a road a send jet. I squeeze up trigger and afraid to face death. If you didn't work with the warriors, you woulda accurate like a chassis. Uninitiated fool just a rise up the tool and lick down little bikini. You shoulda never touch the iron boy. You don't know yourself, neither your enemy. So you just a terrorize your community and trembling more than Kimberly. You see me, shaky hand boy. You are not bad boy. Both say you are gunman, you must say mad boy. So innocent life you are take. I squeeze up trigger and afraid to face death. Hey you shaky hand boy, you are not bad boy. But you a stepper, you know see say you a fraud boy. I lick shot and none of them not connect. I squeeze up trigger and afraid to face death. Enough of them a beat up the tool and them now want look. Them now want see the face of a next man mother when she ball. Say boy, conscience a kill them a worse them pay to take shot. So when time them a knock it and a clap it, them a run in a the opposite direction. What them a defend man? Hey you shaky hand boy, you are not bad boy. But say you are gun and you must say mad boy.
Just say only resort to violence and self-defense. So we are try Rastafari and hold a reference. Now go waste no time sitting on the fence. So we are deal with the matter head first, no suspense. Don't know that you have me back. Don't need no set a crowd now to come and distract. I keep my circle small, don't even trust a door when it knock. The forces coming in like friend in the flock. To all my sisters them who now fall back. And all the brethren them we not backtrack. We don't know say every single thing come from black. So we ready anytime we king say attack. Attack, We ready, yes, we ready now. Anytime this scene get too sticky, yes, we ready. I said we ready, yes, we ready now. We ready, yes, we ready. I said we ready, yes, we ready now. Anytime them boy move to shaky, yes, we ready. I said we ready, yes, we ready now. We ready, yes, we ready. And we not afraid of heathen. Them a mix up with all kind of treason. Not feel frightened, fi give them a beating. Execute them quick, quick, quick. Anytime my next princess gone missing, fire for the boy we find she interesting. Bury them alive when them touch up Justin. This is not a matter of good discussion.
Jah is there for his children all the way. I know Jah is there for his children all the way. Israel got to get out of this hell. We know that Jah is gonna lift us in the air. Said Jeremiah and Ezekiel, we're gonna visit his flock again. From us a remnant will remain, those that truly glorify his name. In what time no one can say. You got to hold on to the faith. From us a remnant will remain, those that truly glorify his name. In what time no one can say. You got to hold on to the faith. I know Jah is there for his children all the way. Jah is there for his children all the way. See the battle is hotter, so we got to get stronger. In this your time, you can't just sit down and wonder. Soldiers of Jah army taking over like tsunami. Every household will have a dread.